What is going on, guys? This is another Coding with Google AI video, part 2, episode 2. It's a series. I only got to do a few, 2 or 3 episodes, and the series is considered complete because of the size of my channel. It's a small channel, but it's also huge at the same time. Kind of weird. It's a very niche channel. This is code. This is a Python project you can do. This is a package slash app updater. Picks the file. How could we run the app to make a package updater? I haven't thought about it. Program asks if you need to update file 1, then takes from file 2 and updates the data within file 1. Should I implement my my data compression module? I don't know. Let's just do it like this. Make it hardware ready and upgrade ready. A software, what do you call it? A software. Sorry, guys. I know it. Framework. I don't know if you need actually hardware ready. Let's just see what it comes up with. we'll need to debug this ourselves. Updater. See how this runs? This is how you get start off code. This is how you get start off code for your projects and how you can come up with project ideas. You can just come up with them in your head and propose the idea to Google AI. Tell them you know programming, your programming language. Tell them to code it for you. Text-based AI. I think I see the names. Alright, did it. Take a screenshot. Line 39, I'll fix it myself. I'm not sure if I'd be able to fix it myself after all. It doesn't make sense. See if this... Yeah. Just keep doing this. Debugging. Palomir problem. See if we can get it working. He said it was a typo, guys. He just made a mistake in the spelling. That's what it means. Let's see if the typo is fixed. This updater actually works in real life. It's ready to be adapted and upgraded. Works with real files that actually update real files. This is the framework. Always debug like that, guys. If there's a mistake, don't be scared. This program works 100% with real files and on a real scenario, in a real life scenario, and it can be adapted to hardware and other upgradable stuff. Let's look at the code. Simple, fast run through of the code so you can pause and copy. Pause and copy, study the code. This is how you get start off code for your projects. It does. Start off code. Boilerplate code. Easy project ideas. Amazing project ideas. Come up with amazing project ideas. Propose them. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.